Hello, we're going to do a card ritual. We have 10 cards to begin with, and we check the colors are red and black, 5 of each. First thing to do is shuffle the cards in any way you want to, in any possible way of shuffling that you wish. Mix the cards. Now turn them face up and continue mixing them so you can see the cards as they mix. When you're done, look at the cards and we're going to turn them face down while we learn how to cut the cards. Here's how we cut. You cut the cards by taking a block of cards from the top, let's say 3, and you put them on the bottom. You cut them to the bottom. You take them from the top, put them under. Or you can take 3 cards from the bottom and bring them up around to the top as a group. So let's try it with 4, and you can try it with 5. 5 cards from the top to the bottom. When you take 5 cards from the top, you're also, because we have 10, you're also taking 5 from the bottom. 5 from the bottom up to the top, while 5 from the top go to the bottom. Either way, you're completing the cut. You can do this with 3 cards, 2 cards. You can do it with 1 card, cutting 1 card from the top to the bottom, 1 card from the bottom to the top. So you can do this. It's an in the hands cut. There's an on the table cut as well. Place your cards on the table. Cut off any amount of cards from the top, move them aside. Take the ones that remain, lift them up and put them on top of the ones you moved aside. That's called completing the cut. So you cut wherever you want and complete the cut. That's an on the table cut. This is an in the hands cut, where you're moving a group of cards from the top together down to the bottom, or from the bottom up to the top. Another skill to have. Take the top 2 cards together as one and flip them face up. So they're resting on the top of the deck. Flip them face down. Together as one, you flip them face up. Together as one, you flip them face down. Now, we've been shuffling. Let's take a look at our mixed up cards. There's a lot of reds together, a lot of blacks together. So let's separate them. This is a ritual of separation. Take 5 in each hand, 5 reds and 5 blacks. Reds in one hand, blacks in the other. Now we're going to place 1 from one pile and then immediately cover it with 1 from the other. 1 from one pile, 1 from the other. Back and forth, interleaving the cards. So there's a pattern of black, red, black, red, black, red, or red, black, red, black, red, black. Take that pack of 10 cards with the alternating pattern and find a place with the cards face up, anywhere you want, to cut the cards 1 time. Turn the whole packet face down and take the top 2 cards together as one as a group and turn them face up. Now that they're face up, find a place for an in the hands cut anywhere you want. And take those 2 cards that are now on the top and turn them face up. And put your deck on the table. Do a table cut where you cut the deck anywhere. It could be to a face down or a face up card, and complete the cut. Now, pick up your packet, holding it in your hands, and take the top 2 cards together and flip them over. Find a good place anywhere in the packet for an in the hands cut. Take the top 2 cards, doesn't matter what direction, take them together and flip them over. Now that you've done this, you have everyone should have a different number of face down cards. I have 4. In a moment, we're going to do some magic, and we're going to all have the same. Watch this now. Take your deck and deal the cards into 2 even piles, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, till you've dealt all 10 cards into 2 even piles. Pick up either pile, turn it over, and drop it on top of the other pile. Now pick up all of the cards and say the words magic, magic, magic. How many letters in the word magic? 5. So we're going to all now have 5 face-down cards. M-A-G-I-C. There are my 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Separate your 5 face-downs from your 5 face-ups. And look, we've done some magic. We have separated the reds and the blacks. Completely separated them. That's while mixing everything up and randomly turning over cards. All of us together did this ritual of separation. Keep practicing this until it becomes easy to do. It's fun, and we'll see you in the next video.